I'd give you a recap on what happened yesterday and what I expect to happen today on the indexes. So we trade the nasdaq, we trade the S&P 500, and we trade the Dow. And in the morning, sometimes we trade the DAX as well, but we didn't trade the DAX yesterday. So without further ado, let's jump into the charts and let's see what's going to happen today. This is from Business of Trader, and today is the 21st of October, that's Friday. And I'm just here to give you a recap of what happened yesterday with our trading bot and what we see happening today in the markets. So yesterday I said that we were going to be bullish, and that played out. So we originally got a signal on the NASDAQ at 3:45, which we will skip to that chart in a moment. That's 3:45 a.m. So I like to say what I'm thinking today before the markets. And I'm thinking that we're going to be bearish today. We've got a bearish signal playing out as we speak on the S&P and on the Dow. So I'm going to show you them. And without further ado, let's look at the trading recap for yesterday. So yesterday, 3:45, which was about here, we had a bullish signal on the NAS. On the Dow, let's have a look. Did we get a signal at that? Sorry, on the S&P. Sorry, no, we didn't. So let's move forwards. So into the market open, we had a bullish signal, and we had a breakout of that signal, so that would have been taken by our bot. Now, moving forward, we then popped up, and then we reversed. So we had a bearish signal, and that netted us 68 points. Now, coming into the afternoon session, we flattened out, and that obviously exited. Now, we did have an interim signal on the bot for a bullish signal, but we didn't take that on the S&P. And then we had a bullish signal into the close, I believe, for the S&P. So just moving forward to today, just looking at this, there we go. I'm just moving the chart along so you can see it on the main chart where we're at. This is where we had the last bearish signal, and that is currently playing out as we speak. Jump into the Dow, because we're going to do it in the Dow first before the NAS. We're going to finish on the NAS. Again, we've had a bearish signal today. So again, that's one of the reasons that the charts are kind of marrying up to each other, that I think that we are going to be bearish into the open. And just looking at yesterday, on the Dow, we had a bearish signal at 11 a.m. and that played out nicely. So looking at the chart calculator, that brought in over 300 points. So played out pretty nicely for us. And we had an early morning signal as well on that one, and that was bearish. That was very early. Let me have a look at the time. Yeah, 1:30. So jumping to the NAS. Right, so starting from where we left off yesterday, I'm just going to get to the point. Let's just see. I think this may be on zoom mode. No, it's not on zoom mode. Let's just make the chart a bit smaller so we can all see just the overall picture of what we're doing. Right, here we go. So that's the signal that I talked about yesterday. That's one of the reasons why it's bullish. And obviously going into the open, we did go up. We subsequently retraced, so we got an intraday signal coming down. A blue diamond means to sell. So that one played out. That one didn't play out. Then white diamonds are to buy. So this white diamond did play out, coming into the open, and we'd have been taking that about that line there. That's what that green line is. So basically, a break of that would have got us into the trade, and it did over 180 points. Then got some bearish signals. So we went sideways for a few hours, and then you can see again we've got another main signal in here, followed by an intraday diamond. So pretty much when you get these are different. It's a voting system that we have effectively, and the more votes we get from different parts of the system, the more likely that these particular trades will play out. When you get confluence of both the intraday signals and the bigger signals, then you are going to potentially get a bigger trade, which is what we actually did. Now, subsequently, that come down considerably. The blue bars mean that we basically want to be shorting. So as you can see, all the way down, we were shorting. Now, we did get some bullish signals on the NAS, and in this instance, they didn't actually trigger, except for this one did. So, and then this one did, and then this did actually play out, not for a large amount. So we wouldn't have taken that one. And obviously, as you can see, it's a lighter color, and a lighter color there. And what we'd be looking for on these is, especially with this situation here, i.e. we've got a diamond and we've got blue bars, we'd be looking for a break above this. And obviously, as you can see, we didn't actually get a break above this, as in a physical close. So in that instance, we didn't. In that instance, that trade failed. So obviously, we do get trades that fail. So, but overall, it was a great day. So, and for the bot, so literally, we had some cracking signals, and I am bearish as we speak. Let's just have a look, scrolling to the end now to see what we've got on the NAS. So, bearish signal came in at 321, and that is, as we speak, playing out. So we're up on the bot from there, 89 points. So again, a good trade. That's come from the 10,000 chart trade, and we've also got bearish on the 30-minute as well. So obviously, when all these charts come through, they vote through to the main screen, and obviously, as you can see, we get the signal on the main screen. Right, folks. I just want to say thank you for watching. If you do like what we do, then visit us at businessoftraders.com to find out more. Bye for now.